Yeah. So in this session, we'll be looking at some Python programs using string data type and list data type. Sorry. Now, string is a immutable data type, immutable object, and list is a mutable entity. Okay, so this is the basic understanding we have. Now, right now, I want to have a sentence, and that sentence to be processed in various ways. Okay, maybe we will split the sentence into words, and then we'll apply various forms of mechanisms so that we understand completely the list and other methods, the methods which are inside the list and methods which are using it inside string class. All these things we can understand. Okay, so let me get into my Anaconda navigator so I can see here. I'll just say delete everything. Okay, so let me just start fresh. Yeah, so this is what I have. Now I have a sentence. Okay, you can see here. I have a sentence here. The sentence here is something like this. Just give me a minute. Okay, my sentence is hello world, how are you? Hello world, how are you? So this is the sentence. Now when I say control enter, okay, then I can just put SENT. So this is the word I have. Now I want to capitalize the complete sentence. When I say capitalize, I can use the strings capitalize method. So look at this, send dot capitalize. It's a method, so open bracket, close bracket. So you can see here, hello world, how are you? So you can see H is capitalized, but word, hello word, I made word, so I'll make it as world. Then I'll say capitalize. So hello world, how are you? Okay, so H is only capitalized. Now my problem is I want to capitalize every word in this sentence. Okay, so for that I should capitalize W, H, A, U. So every starting letter of the word. Okay, how do you do it? The first thing is I can do one thing. I can split this sentence into various words. So let me call words is equal to sent dot split. Okay, so the moment you split now, by default they would have been separated by spaces. Okay, so when I say send dot split method, open close, then I will just go for words. Let us see what we get. So you can see here I got a list of words, Okay, a single string has become a list. Okay, look at this, it's a list. There is a square bracket that shows it's a list. So list of individual words are in list of individual words, okay, which has come from our sentence. Sentence was a string, so the sentence was split and we got an array of words. Okay, we are given a name called words, that's all. It doesn't matter, you can give any name, you can give X, Y, something, but I given words. Okay, now once I got it, can I try something like this? I want every word to be taken from these words, for word in words. Okay, suppose if I just print it now, I'll just print everything in a separate line. Look at this, hello world, how are you? So I got everything. Now can I capitalize this? Look at this, capitalize, because these are individual strings. See, when you say words, it's a list of strings. So when you iterate over that list one by one, you get a list of word. Okay, list of words becoming coming and sitting inside the word variable one by one. So first word will have hello, next word will have world. So that's what you're going to see. Look at this. Yeah, we got it. Look at this. Hello, H capital, world, W capital, how, okay, H capital or A capital. So we got, I think we got, but it is, yeah, it is just, it got displayed. Now what I want is, I want, okay, these things, okay, in a separate list. Okay, I want it as a complete string. So what I can do is, okay, I will do one thing. Okay, I'll just go here. I'll create a temporary list called result. Then I'll say res dot append, then word dot capitalize. Look at this. Now I'll just say res. See, I got the same thing, list of words, but every word starts with a capital letter. But ultimately, this is not my solution. My solution is I want to have a single string as I received from the sentence. Okay, and it should be a single string containing, every word capitalized. So what can I do? Can I do something like this? Res is equal to, I can join with a space, dot join. See, what does the space mean? Join with space. Okay. You not join. See, every item should be connected with this character. I given space here. And join, what should I join? I should join that res. Res is nothing but, the result, which is a list, which is the result which we got in 89. Look at this. So, this join function, what it does is it takes the word one by one from the list and joins using this particular character and creates a string. So, look at this. Now, my result will be hello world, a single string. Look at this. I can just give print res, okay, and I can just give res of type of res. Look at this. So, hello world, how are you? Every letter is capitalized, and it's a type of string. So we got what we wanted. Originally, the sentence was a string. Here also we got a string. So, but now every word in the sentence is capitalized. Okay. So this is how you need to solve. Of course, this way of solving the problem is quite primitive. Okay, the problem can be solved in a better way. But right now, with the knowledge which is available to you, you can just understand how things are done. Okay. So what we did was, I just put it in a nutshell. We got a string, we split into a list, and then from that list, we extract every word, and every word is a string, so we can capitalize it, and then we create a list which contains all the capitalized words, and this list can be joined using space to create a string. That's it. So these are we need to solve the problem. Okay, fine. Now the same sentence, okay, I got like this. See, if I say SENT, res will be capitalized, but sentence still remains same. Look at this. If I say sent, see, that remains still small letters only. Now I want to capitalize, okay, the complete, not capitalize, I want to convert it to uppercase, the complete thing. So can I take the help of, the string? I can say sent dot upper. So that will convert everything into uppercase, Right? So this is one way of doing it. Now, so once I have that list, so in fact, I think I don't have any list right now because the result was also converted into a string. Okay, string. Now, okay, now let me just check sent again. Sent. Yeah. Now I want a count of how many characters in this. So for that I can go for length actually. See, length of sent. Okay, 24 characters. But I want every word's length I want to be displayed. Hello 5, world 5, how 3. Okay, something like that. I want that. So how can I do it? So what I can do? So I can say for word in. Okay, word in. Word. I think we have a list called words. Yeah, we have words. So what I can do for word in words. Okay, that means every word will come one by one, and I can just say print length of word, comma word. Okay, look at this. Now we'll get hello 5 hello world. Sorry, 5 world. Okay, 3 how, 3 or you with question mark 4. Look at this. hello 55334. Okay, so these are, you process your individual, list also. You can process your individual list also, right? Now we can do something else on this list actually. So the list has some words. Okay, we can do one thing. We can extract words, the internal words which are more than 3 characters length only. Okay, so what I can do, I can just go here. I can put an if condition. If length of word, okay, is greater than 3, then display that word. Look at this. Now hello world and you question mark, only those things will come, because we get length of word is greater than 3, right? So this is how you process your okay, list actually. Now I have a list like this, my list. Okay, then I have a name, see, sub list also. I have Anand. Okay, then his mobile number. Okay, then I have whether it's male or female, male, comma. So I can just copy this and paste it. Control C, Control B. Okay, Babu. His mobile number is something like this. Okay, then comma. Okay, then we have Geeta. Her mobile number is something like this. Then I have female. Okay, fine. Now this is basically, it's a list which contains another list, sub list. So you can say my list. See here. Okay, it just displays the list. Now I want to fetch only the female candidates, information about female candidates. So how can I do it? Okay, so what I can do, I can just go here. So for info in my list. For info means data, whatever you call data in my list. I call every sub list as a data. Print data. So look at this. I got like this. Now once I get it, I want only female now. So what I can do? So the data is basically, it's a, look at this, print, okay, data, and I want type of data. So whenever you have doubts, you put the type also. So it's a list. So what I can do, the list means, data is a list, and 0, 1, 2, the third index contains whether the person is male or female. So what I can do, if data of 2, because you see index 0, 1, 2, index 0, 1, 2. So data represent every item. If data of 2 is equal to female, then you just print the data. That's what I want. Look at this. So only Geeta I got. Okay, fine. I think, hope it makes sense. Okay, then so is, for example, you see, if anybody's character, okay, contains doctor, that I want. Look at this. I have my data here. A doctor, generally doctor dot it will be doctor dot. Okay, so I want only doctor information, irrespective of the gender. I want doctor information. So what I can do, data of 0, because 0 contains the, see, look at this, I'll just run it and show you. Dr. Anam, Dr. Geeta. Okay, so data of 0, I can say dot starts with okay, doctor. Okay, then print data. Look at this. Now, oh, it should be start, spelling mistake, starts with. So you can see here, Dr. Anand, Dr. Geeta. Okay, we have left out the person who is not a doctor. Okay, fine. So you see, now this is how you process a list for any of the any combination of things. For example, mobile number, okay, which starts with certain pattern, that only you want. So you can pick out that also. For example, you see, I want I'll just copy this. I'll just say mobile number is in data of 1, dot starts with 3. Look at this. Okay, so just display it. Oh, int object. Okay, so it's an integer. Oh, so the problem is, so what should I do in this case? So what I can do, I can convert this into string. The data of one is a phone number. Unfortunately, I set it as a number, not as a string. So I can convert this into a string, then starts with. That's it. Look at this. Okay. So these are dynamic, problem solving. So depending on the need, we need to solve the problem. There is no, odd and fixed rules. Okay, while solving problem or picking out the data from the repository in any way we want. Okay, so if str, so because data of one is a number, so in number I cannot apply starts with. So what I can do, I can convert that number to str by typecasting it. Str of that data of one. Data of one is nothing but the second field. Okay, if it starts with 3, bring a data. Bring data. Okay, fine. So this session was useful with respect to list. So we'll see more in the next exercise. Thank you.